All right, so today we're looking at scaled line plots. We're going to be able to create and interpret a line plot based on measurement data. Okay, this is something that is one of our standards for uh, data analysis, and it says that we need to be able to generate measurement data by measuring lengths with rulers to the nearest quarter of an inch. Okay, and that's what you were doing in your math message. Now, since we are at home, right, we're going to have a hard time being able to actually use the rulers to measure things. So if we were together in person, right, we would be using rulers, collecting a lot of data. But since you're all in separate places, I'm going to have to give you the measurements today. You've been practicing measuring on different days. So today I'm going to give you the measurements and you're going to focus on creating line plots. Okay. If you could have somebody at home practice with you and you could make a bunch of different measurements, I would really suggest that you continue to do that and practicing how to measure to the nearest quarter inch. Okay, now you can see here is an example of a line plot. It's going to be similar to what we've learned with like the picture graphs and the bar graphs, but it's slightly different. Okay, we are going to be doing a few things today. And the first thing I want you to do is looking here and watching this video. Okay, if you watch this video, it explains what a line plot is. And so here is an example. It says each X represents one. They show how many of each. So there's one red, one, two, three, four blue. It says a line plot can also show data on a line with an X to show how many times an object, color, or thing has showed up, right? So just like in our bar graphs, right, you have your objects here, okay, but instead of having a scale right here, right, it's just everything here represents one, okay? So it's slightly different. It's not a picture graph. Each one of these X's, it's kind of like a picture graph that it equals one, but it's also different than a picture graph because we're not going to show half of one. So watch this video to help you think about this, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to make one and solve this like evaluate.